Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the speaker. Charge it to at least 20% so firmware updates won't fail, and install the JBL portable app on your phone to manage settings. Once charged, press the power button until you hear the startup tone. The blue LED shows it's ready. Make sure Bluetooth on your device is on, then put the speaker in pairing mode if it doesn't auto-pair. This avoids connection drops and ensures the app can find the device for updates and equalizer control. Once paired, open the JBL portable app to configure the speaker. You'll want to check for a firmware update first. Updating fixes bugs and improves stability. Then set your preferred EQ profile or create a custom curve to match room acoustics, because onboard tone shaping matters more in small rooms. If you're using Party Boost, enable it now and follow prompts to link multiple JBL speakers for stereo. Also, choose input source: Bluetooth for wireless, USB-C audio for lower latency, or 3.5 with an adapter. To finish, place the Wave Beam 2 on a stable, elevated surface away from walls for clearer imaging. Once positioned, test playback at moderate volume and tweak EQ as needed. Make sure the app's sound enhancements are either on or off consistently to avoid tonal jumps. If you encounter pairing or audio dropouts, perform a factory reset by holding power plus volume down for 10 seconds, then repair. If battery drains quickly, disable app background features, lower max volume.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.